Welcome. If you've ever wanted to tidy up your Instagram highlights but you're using Instagram on your PC, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to remove stories from your highlight using the latest Instagram update. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once it loads, head down to the left bottom corner and click on your profile photo. This will take you straight to your profile page where all your posts, reels, and highlights are displayed. Now, right under your bio, you'll see your highlights. Find the highlight you want to edit and click on it. The highlight will open up, showing all the stories you've added to it. At the top of the highlight, you'll notice 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to open up a menu with several options. From this menu, select Edit. After clicking Edit, hit Next to proceed. You'll now see a section labeled Stories. This is where you can manage which stories are included in your highlight. Scroll through the list and simply unselect the stories you want to remove. You can unselect as many stories as you'd like, making it easy to keep your highlights updated and relevant. Once you've finished unselecting the stories you want to remove, confirm your choices. Instagram will update your highlight instantly, and those stories will no longer appear in it. And that's it. You've successfully removed stories from your Instagram highlight using the app on your PC. This new update makes it super easy to keep your profile looking exactly how you want it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy Instagram tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.